Everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wah Gwan Tours. We're in Albufeira, Newtown. Let's see Wah Gwan. You guys all know the vibe. So the strip is fully open and we're going to take a look and see what's different. So if you're coming out, you can see. Yeah, this side's always, it depends with the strip. You either have one side that's really rammed and then the other side. At the moment, we'll see which side is the most busiest, or is it going to be the middle part. If you've been to the Newtown strip before, you know it's sort of divided into two sections. If you haven't, basically it's one long line going all the way down to the other end, and we started at the top end. So let's see if it's busy. It's still quite early though, isn't it? What time is it? About 11:30? Do a little time check. I don't know, it's just coming up for 12, so this is your midnight after dark Newtown Albufeira. Right, so this is the new bar. So this is Newtown Bar. So if you've been here, this is new for this season. So Newtown Bar, got a pool table, it's quite nice. It's quite nice to have that out this side, kind of breaks up because it's more sort of like pubs and karaoke this end. So yeah, you got the jungle. Oh no, we're okay, thank you. Karaoke across the road as well, Nico's bar. So yeah, we have just come from Old Town, so if you do want to see the nightlife at Old Town, do check that out. So usually a lot of people sort of go to Old Town and then once everything winds down, they come over to the new strip. Got Mojo's. Ah, we're okay, thank you. Got Grease's bar in the corner. Albatross. Yeah, Blue Stars, looking a bit busier. Temple Bar again, this one is always busy, especially in the summertime. Do check out our footage. You've got it all out in the daytime, nighttime, everyone's out here dancing, loads of stag do, hen do's, everything. Yeah, lots of good music. Yeah, busy in there, really busy. Across the road, and then you got Legends. They'll probably come out there later. Got Route 66 across the road. Hollywood. And then you got the Dublin as well. Go across. Okay, it's crossover. Right. So you've got a little game place there. Little fun activities. And then you've got Zoo Club. Hey, you're right, nice to see you again. We'll be back later. See you later. So yeah, if you've watched our day video, I've done a price video. So if you do want to check out the prices, his features and that. Got Simply across the road. And then you can't forget the cheapest of cheap. Yeah. So got jam on the corner. Is that a new one as well? We did say yes, that's brand new. Yeah, last year. So that one's still relatively new. Then you got L by V. So that one's open now. And then I don't know if this one's going to be open later. Yeah. And there is a few more clubs around there, but again, we're sort of the wrong time of year. Right, so we're now sort of going into the second half of the Newtown Strip. So we're going to keep going upwards and having a look. So we got Universe Club. And that was new last year as well. Quite a lot of new clubs last year. Ooh. Yeah, busy in this one.
How much?
We've had some good nights in that one. So this is like a little in between bit, but this one closes quite early, doesn't it? And then you've got all your sort of like late kebab takeaway places. So yeah, this is, if anyone's tuning in, Newtown Strip. Everything's now open, so if you're coming out here, it's fully, season is started or has started. And I have done the Old Town as well, day and night, so do check that out. Then we got Nando, Summer Vibe. And then we got La Bando. So yeah, this side seems a little bit more busier. We did another strip walk the other day, and it was the other way round, wasn't it? So it can just depend on the night. We've got Renault's, again busy. Everyone having a good time. And then you've got Cooper's and Matt's Bar as well.
Matt's Bar 2 days ago?
Yeah, we did Matt's Bar a couple of days ago. And then you've also got the Albufeira 66. Also looks quite busy. Cooper's looks a little bit quieter, doesn't it? But that can get like really rammed. Yeah. And then this one does quite good cocktails, so it's €5 for a cocktail. That is happy hour, so it might have gone up now. So yeah, we'll see. So yeah, it looks quite busy in there tonight. Do I look cold? Yeah, you do have to look where you're going when you're walking up here. So ladies, if you're in heels, be mindful. And then we've got Wild & Co, which is a little bit quieter. The other night this was heaving. So it just depends on the night and the acts and what's going on. But again, it's like a really big space. And we've now come down to the bottom side, aren't we? So yeah, we're at the bottom end of the Newtown Strip. That's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out all of our other content if you want to see what's going on in Albufeira.